like that we have this extra space. What the hell? That was a bag.
No, that car just hit that deer, the one that we were meeting. That was a deer went sliding across the road.
That was a deer?
That was a deer.
Did he stop?
Then there was another one went flying the other way. He hit too.
Did he stop?
Yeah, he stopped.
Oh my God, no. That was a deer?
Mm-hmm. Do you want to turn around and see if they're all right?
Yeah. That was a deer?
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was a piece of paper going across
I think he hit two of them.
Oh my Lord. Oh. Just slowly. Somebody may have already stopped for him. It's an awful thing. He hit two? They're always come in twos, sometimes threes. They never by themselves. Oh my God. Be careful, there could be deer leftovers here.
He sure the hell didn't keep going, did he? There's part of his car.
Oh, did you hit it?
No, just pieces come up. He did. He kept going.
Did he know he hit the deer?
Oh, he had to have known he hit the deer. Or is this them?
Is that him?
Yeah, it's got to be.
Is it?
I think so.
We saw you hit the deers. Are you okay?
Yeah, we're okay. You must have just missed you, huh? I seen what looked like a bag go sliding across the highway, and then I realized that's a deer. We hit it. Where did the deer go?
He slid across. He's in that ditch on the other side.
He is, huh?
Yeah.
He was coming this way, though.
Well, you didn't hit two, did you? Yeah, no, because we were coming this way, and one slid right across the highway, and he's got to be out in the ditch.
Yeah. Are you okay? No, we'll call somebody and get a trailer out here.
Yeah, this is such a bad highway for.
This is a really bad road. Yeah.
I had no chance at all of missing it.
Oh no, it happened so quick.
We were just actually out hunting. We didn't get to hear
I 75. You know, maybe it's a lot.
we go back and check.
So thanks for stopping.
Yeah.
I think they might call somebody for that deer.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he said you got to call. You know, you have to tag a deer. You got to call the sheriff's department or something. If he hit it, he may as well take it home with him, right?
Yeah.
We're not going down a ditch, are we?
No.
I can't even see where we're going. Oh my God. That was the deer that was flying across the highway? Oh my God.
Yeah, he was laying on his side, sliding.
I don't know what his front of his vehicle looks like. He probably doesn't have a lot left. Would be my guess. Wait, Wayne, you got cars.
I see.
They may have gotten their deer just now. Just slow.
See if you see a deer over here anywhere.
It went. That's what was sliding, huh?
Yeah.
We just missed it, Wayne. There he is.
Right here.
There he is, right here. Where's his head?
It's there.
So they know where it is.
Mm-hmm.
Look at.